Good evening to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create EndNote group sharing for integrating all citation. EndNote desktop built-in library sharing feature make it easy to collaborate. This EndNote group sharing is a great solution that grants access to a specific library group to co-author, professor, research assistant, and others via EndNote online. To share your custom group from EndNote, you have to open your EndNote library. I have already opened the EndNote library. Here you can see the list of references which I have imported in the EndNote library. Okay, so for creating group, if you want to work with others, no, for example, for review paper, four people are writing the review paper. If you want to integrate these four papers into one, you can simply copy paste the text. But for citation, you can't do, right? It will take more time. So for this, you have to create a group and you have to send invite to the group people. So let's see how to create the group. Okay. So let's see, select the group you want to share and then right click the group. So here I am showing on demo. These are my references which I have already imported. So go to your folder. You just right click on it and then choose the share group from the menu. It will retrieve the account information and then start defining the email address associated with your EndNote online accounts. If you want to invite someone means you can simply enter their email ID. So I have already entered my email ID for taking demo. So if you want to if you want to invite multiple users means you have to enter multiple email ID separated by commas. Okay. So you can share each custom group with up to 1000 EndNote online user and assign read only or read write. You can give access based on your user basis. Here I am giving one mail ID for your reference. If you want to add one more ID, no, you have to put your comma and then you can give another email ID. Okay. So you can give access to read only, or if the shared user want to read and write the reference means you can give access to read and write option. If you want to send a message, you can send like inviting you to access the library for review article. Like that, you can send a message. If you want, you can send. And then you just click invite. Okay, since this is the official availability, I think it's not me. I will give another mail ID to show you some error. Just give invite. Yeah, it's sending. So you can see. Feel free to add a personalized message to the invitation email. So after that, you can see your group sharing are listed above on the sharing window. Here you can see whomever you are sending mail, no, it will be listed here. Click on the icon next to sharing will reveal additional option. If you are clicking on this icon, no, it will give another more option. Like if you want to remove this email ID, if you don't want to share these references to this particular person, you just remove it. If you want to remain the review article means you can send a reminder message. So we have set it for read and write, right? If you want to change it to read only mode, you can change. These are the options which is available. So you can return to this screen anytime to reconfigure your sharing list, but you will press close to leave this window for now. If you want to come, you can come at any time. So invitation successfully sent. Once they receive the invitation, they have to click on the link and then they can easily access your EndNote library. Okay. So group sharing is limited to EndNote desktop users. It can also be configured directly from EndNote online also. So apart from EndNote desktop version, we can also use EndNote online software like Mendeley. So to set up a shared group in EndNote online after logging into your account, so we have to create one account in Clarivate EndNote website. After creating the account, go to the website. Here I have already created the account in EndNote. Then only you can do EndNote online library. Point your mouse over the organized tab and then click manage my groups. So if you are pointing your mouse on the organized tab, you can see various options like manage my group, others group, find duplicates, manage attachment. Click on the manage my groups. So after pressing the manage sharing button next to the group you would like to share and then click start sharing this group. Okay. So if you want to create new group, you can create. Then you can rename your group name also. If you want to rename it, you can rename. So you can rename like insulin for your better identification. If you want to rename it, you can rename insulin review article group. So if you are having lots of group, it will get confused, right? So you can rename and click OK. Go to manage sharing. Use the pop-up window to define one or more email address. Like in EndNote library, we have the form, right? Likewise, you can start sharing this group. Here also, you can enter your email ID. You can up to 1,000 users. You can share the invitation at the time. It's not restricted. So after entering it, you can restrict the permission like read only, read and write option. After that, you just click apply. Okay. So, Kahir, yeah, yeah, I have only typed the email ID, so I have to type it correctly. So, can click apply. They will, yeah. Now you can see add email addresses to one insulin review article group. Now the email has been successfully added to this group. They will receive the invitation mail. I will show it to you. This is my email ID only. We will check it whether I have received the invitation mail from the group or not. Yeah. So again I am giving because still I haven't received email. So in desktop it will be easy. Whereas in case of online, yeah, for online you will not receive any link, right? So uh, So your list of sharings is always configurable by returning to the group's manage sharing scheme. Please note that configuring a group share group directly from the EndNote online will not generate invitation email. Yeah, I forgot to say. So while using EndNote online, no, you will not receive any invitation email from your new sharees like EndNote desktop. If they have the EndNote login, no, they can easily access the EndNote online server wherever they are. Okay, no need to carry the laptop everywhere. But if you are using EndNote desktop, no, they will receive invitation link. So once they receive the invitation link, no, they have to activate the link. After activating, they can easily use your EndNote library. So this is how we have to work it on EndNote. So EndNote makes managing team collaboration more effortless than ever. So if you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the comment section. Next, we are going to see how to find duplicates. Okay, how to find duplicates in EndNote. Open your EndNote library. Here, I have ordered all the references. Here you can see while seeing, since it is having less number of references, by using our eyes, we can easily identify there are three repetition. If you are having n number of references, like if you are writing a review article, means you will get 100 of references, right? It's difficult to identify the duplicates. So for that, you have to go to library, click find duplicates. It will show you the one pop-up window. Here you can see the reference which is similar across two times. If you want to keep these references, there are two different, the reference is same, but if they have missed some details, means you just remove this reference. If you want to keep these references for your EndNote library for further citation, means you just click on this, keep this reference. The remaining reference will get deleted. Again, if you want to find out the duplicates, means you just again go. So no duplicate reference found. Yeah. So this is how you have to identify the duplicate references in your study. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.